Hello and welcome to lecture number 2. In this lecture, we're going to discuss international law and how it relates to you, the lay responder, and your ability to do CPR. Let's take a look at a document here, which says, I've titled, Why the Ratio of 30 and 2. CPR is performed in cycles of 30 compressions and 2 rescue breaths. That wasn't always the case. When we got to 2005 and we had the first international meeting of experts, which this document outlines, it was found that European agencies had done research that revealed that 15 compressions, which was the standard in America at the time, was not sufficient. At that hearing, the International Committee created a new procedure which used 30 compressions and 2 rescue breaths based upon international research and development and not just what was happening in the United States. Now we've added another document which chronicles a major change made by the international organization in 2010. Once the 2010 consensus document came out, it changed that procedure. It revised the procedure to become CAB. Chest compressions first, airway checking second, and then breathing, supplying rescue breaths, became the international norm. So you can see how changes in the international community drive changes both nationally and at the state and local levels for lay responders throughout the country and throughout the globe. You can see through these documents how international law has a significant impact upon lay responders in the United States and their practice of CPR as well as first aid and other efforts to provide care in an emergency. Understanding international law will be important. At the end of this lecture, I'm going to post a document which will cover international law in a number of countries that are going in different directions. Some countries are. So you want to be aware of all of these changing situations as you move about the globe and our new global environment.